Now students, we have finished this chapter 16. So today we are going to start the exercises. Am I right? So before starting the exercises, I want to say the rules again. Masculine gender rules: eno, abhyam, oihi. What? Eno, abhyam, oihi. Feminine gender: oya, abhyam, abhihi. Eno, abhyam, oihi. Oya, abhyam, abhihi. Neutral gender: eno, abhyam, oihi. That means same as masculine gender. Okay, eno, abhyam, oihi. Oya, abhyam, abhihi. Again, eno, abhyam, oihi. Okay. Now go to the page number 62. There we will start the exercises. Okay. So let's see. Fill in the blanks with suitable forms of the third case ending. Okay. So let's see. Kokiloya, kokilabhyam, kokilabhihi. Mineno, minabhyam, minoihi. Kokiloya, feminine gender, that's why kokiloya. Kokilabhyam, kokilabhihi. Like lotoya, lotabhyam, lotabhihi, na same as kokiloya, kokilabhyam, kokilabhihi. Then minoho, masculine gender, so it should be like a balak or noro sabd. Like noreno, norabhyam, noroihi, so same as mineno, minabhyam, minoihi. Okay. Next one, kondukam. This is neuter gender. Foleno, falabhyam, foloihi, na same as it should be kondukeno, kondukabhyam, kondukoihi. Next one, again feminine gender. So balikoya, balikabhyam, balikabhihi. So as it is, it should be gaikoya, gaikabhyam, gaikabhihi. Okay. Gojo sadruk, again masculine gender. So noreno, norabhyam, noroihi. So as it is, it should be gojeno, gojabhyam, gojoihi. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks with suitable third case ending. Third case ending means tritiya vibhakti form of the given word. So you have to use karan karak tritiya vibhakti here. Okay. And see, option are there. Just you have to put the tritiya vibhakti rules. If masculine gender, then eno, abhyam, oi. If if neuter gender, then also same eno, abhyam, oihi. But if feminine gender, that time oya, abhyam, abhihi rules you have to put and you have to keep it here. But before doing this, you have to see this bracket also. Here it is mentioned you have to use dvachan and here you have to use bahuvachanam. Okay, so you have to follow those things also. Now, and if it is not written anything, just you have to use what? Definitely ekavachanam. So Meera rail yaneno Kolkatam gacchati. Mohila dvachanam. So ghato masculine gender, ghatah. So eno abhyam. So it should be abhyam. Ghato plus abhyam, ghatabhyam. So mohila ghatabhyam jalam anayati. Next, bahuvachanam. So eno abhyam oihi. So it should be padoihi. Gajoha padoihi chalati. Because elephant have 4 legs, not the 2 legs, na. That's why it should be bahuvachanam, not the dvivachanam. আমাদের মতো তো হাতির দুটো পা নয়, 4টে পা, তাই এটাকে বহুবচন, দ্বিবচন নয়। আমাদের পা কি দ্বিবচন, বাট হাতির পা, গজের পা বহুবচনম। ওকে, দ্যাটস ওয়াই ইট শুড বি বহুবচনম, পাদৈহি। নেক্সট, মহিলা পুষ্পৈহি মালাম গুম্ফতি. Here not mention anything, then also we have to do here bahuvachanam only. Why? Who can say? Okay, I am telling only that mohila pushpoihi malam gumpoti, because that lady is stringing the garland. But with one flower, is it possible to stringing the garland? একটা ফুল দিয়ে কি মালা তৈরি করা সম্ভব? It is totally impossible. That's why needed much flowers. Okay, that's why it should be bahuvachanam only. That's why puspeno, puspabhyam, puspoihi, we have to use here puspoihi. Okay. Adhyapako dushtam balakam dandeno tarayati. Okay, dandena tarayati. One stick only enough to beat the boy. Okay, to beat the naughty boy. So adhyapako dushtam balakam dandena tarayati. Now see question number 3. Fill in the blanks with words of the suitable number and case ending. Fill in the blanks with words of the suitable number. That means whatever words are given here, you have to put here the suitable number. That means number means vachan, and case ending means definitely karak vibhakti. Okay. So balak is the mool shabda. Mool shabda means root word. Then you have to write here prathama, ditya, tritiya. Okay. See, one only given here. So balokaha, balokoho, baloko, balokaha. So that means it is prathama bahuvachanam. So as it is here, we have to use ditya bahuvachanam, and here should be tritiya bahuvachanam. All should be bahuvachanam. Okay. Prathama bahuvachanam, ditya bahuvachanam, and tritiya bahuvachanam. So balokaha, balokoho, baloko, balokaha. Balakam, baloko, balokan, balokeno, balokabhyam, balokoihi. Okay. Balokaha, balokan, balokoihi. All are bahuvachanam. But this is prathama vibhakti, this is ditya vibhakti, and this is tritiya vibhakti. Okay. But all are bahuvachanam. Now see next one, shakha. It is feminine gender. Shakhaha given. So shakha, shakhi, shakaha. This one also prathama bahuvachanam. So it should be ditya bahuvachanam. Shakha, shakhe, shakaha. Shakham, shakhe, shakaha. So both should be shakha. Then tritiya vibhakti. Shakhaya, shakhabhyam, shakhabhihi. So shakhabhihi. All are bahuvachanam. Prathama, ditya, tritiya. Now phal, neuter gender. So rules are phalam, phale, phalani. Sorry, here ditya are given. So phalam, phale, phalani. Phalam. So ditya vibhakti ekavachanam given. Here should be prathama ekavachanam. Phalam, here also phalam. Okay. Phalam, phale, phalani. Phalam, phale, phalani. So phalam, phalam. Then phaleno, phalabhyam, phaloihi. Ekavachanam, that's why phaleno. Okay. Now see hasta. Hasta means hand. It is masculine gender. What it is given here? Hastaha. Hastaha means hand. One single hand here. Okay. Hastaha. Hastaha, hasto, hastaha. So hasta only. That means prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Now see ditya vibhakti ekavachanam. Hastaha, hasto, hastaha. Hastam, hasto, hastan. Hastam. Hasteno, hastabhyam, hastaihi. So hasteno. Okay. Like this you have to remember and you have to write these things. This type of things definitely will come in your exam. So be ready for that. Okay. Now see balika. Balika, feminine gender. Okay. Balika, balike, balikaha. Balikam, balike, balikaha. Balikoya, balikabhyam, balikavihi. Balika, prathama ekavachanam. Balikam, ditya ekavachanam. Balikoya, tritiya ekavachanam. Okay. Next. Okay. Next, netra. Netra is neuter gender. So, netrani, bahuvachanam. Netram, netre, netrani. So it should be ditya bahuvachanam. Netram, netre, netrani. Netram, netre, netrani. Okay, netrani, netrani. Both are bahuvachanam. Now, tritiya bahuvachanam. Netreno, netrabhyam, netroihi. So netroihi is tritiya bahuvachanam. Okay. Okay. Now go to next page. See here. Question number 4. Change the forms of the underlined words and correct the sentences. Okay. Naraha banino vyaghram honti. Naraha banaha vyaghram honti. It is impossible. So, men are banino. So, men are killing the tiger by the arrow. So, banino. Tritiya vibhakti will use there. Okay. Banaraha padaha chalati. It is impossible. Banaraha means monkeys are walking by their feet. That's why padoihi. Chatte pa thake banorer, 4 legs. So padoihi bahuvachanam. Okay. Padoihi, not padaha. Okay. Just you have to write the answer. Okay. Next one, mala karoho pushpani malam gumphati. Pushpani, it is bahuvachanam, but the not proper vibhakti. So malakara, garland maker, is making the garland with flowers. So with means definitely Tritiya vibhakti, and making the garland, so needed many flowers. So it should be bahuvachanam. So pushpeno pushpabhyam pushpoihi. That's why it should be pushpoihi. Tritiya vibhakti bahuvachanam. Next one, balika dukkham krandati, not dukkham. Dukkheno, by the sadness. So dukkheno. Rakshakaha dandaha tarayati, no danda tarayati. It should be dandeno, by the stick. Dandeno tarayati. Okay. Now see, translate the following sentences. Sha patreno jalam pivati. She is drinking water by a pot. Okay. Patreno, that's why by a pot. Te kondukoihi khelanti. They all are playing with many balls. Tvam pushpoihi devan pujayatsi. You are worshipping God by many flowers. Sarve janaha netrabhyam pashyanti. All the people are seeing by 2 ears, 2 eyes. All the people are seeing by 2 eyes. Okay. Netrabhyam na. So netreno netrabhyam. So divachanam. That's why by 2 eyes. Duto chok diye dekhche by 2 eyes. Next one. Esa kanya karnabhyam no srinoti. So this daughter does not hear by 2 ears. Okay. For this kanya you can write, this girl also you can write. This girl does not hear by 2 ears. You can write, instead of daughter you can write this girl also. Okay. Next one, translate into Sanskrit. Sudha is worshipping the flowers. Sudha pushpoihi pujayati. Man cooks food by fire. Naraha anoleno annam pachati. The peacock dance with joy. Mayuraha harseno nrityati. Okay. Next, children play with balls. Children, now that's why balaha. Balaha kandukaihi khelanti. Balaha means children, plural form. Okay. Balaha, balo, balaha. Or if it is feminine gender, then also bala, bale, balaha. So bala is plural form. Either is feminine gender, then also balaha. If it is neuter gender, if it is masculine gender, then also balaha. Balaha kandukaihi khelanti. Okay, with the balls, that's why kandukaihi, kondukena, kondukabhyam, kondukoihi, plural form. By the balls, see the S, that's why plural form. Okay. Now, the female singer sings in a sweet voice. Gaika modhureno soreno gayati. Okay. Gaika modhureno soreno gayati. So the female singer sings, na? Sings in a sweet voice. So sweet voice, that's why modhureno soreno gayati. So today this much only your CW. I'll send you the picture. Please write from there in your CW. No, sorry, not CW copy. Write in your book only. Okay, as it is like me. So thank you and Hare Krishna.